Witness this magic trick. A York Region Transit bus makes my red light turn green.
You never know what's coming your way with Ladybug Adventures. I bring you mousetraps, archery videos, car cam videos, DIY projects, and computer builds.
Don't forget to subscribe. We make hundreds of decisions every time we drive. Take for example here. I decided to stop at the yellow light because I should. And ahead there's a truck waiting to merge into my lane, and I don't want to get hit should the truck decide to go. This Civic that actually comes from well behind me decides to go, and you can hear the distinct acceleration to make it through the light as fast as possible. The interesting thing is how so many people will view this as totally fine, even though technically illegal, in Ontario. They might even add that it will be unsafe for the car to try to stop as they would get rear-ended. I guess it was just a miracle that I could stop and that I was not rear-ended. Or maybe it was because I was paying attention, looked as far ahead as I could, and maybe, just maybe, I wasn't driving like a selfish jerk. The same issues with decision making here by this orange Veloster coming towards me. There's plenty of time to stop, just not wanting to or choosing to stop. The cars beside me stopped just fine, so don't blame it on the weather. Even my young daughter notices the change in the color of the lights. It's pretty simple, folks.
Red light runner. So we have another one.
This next one is just too easy and really needs no explanation. Ah, Volvos. Known for their safety, but all that means jack it if you drive like an asshole. Well, here you go, transit fan lovers out there. Get your fingers ready to make ridiculous defensive comments. In fact, let me jump in front of the comments first. First, the traffic isn't bad, so no one is going to rear-end them. Second, the bus is starting from a standstill, just having picked up some passengers, so if the driver is paying any attention, or even cares a little, he or she would not have to brake hard to stop and thereby hurt the passengers. Third, this light does have the countdown timer to let you know that you are about to encounter a yellow light, so really, there's no surprises. Fourth, this is a slow and heavy vehicle. This clip has nothing to do with being able to stop in time, as it chose to go with the knowledge that it couldn't make it through the intersection on a green light, or even in this case a yellow light. This bus is in the intersection so long because the driver made the decision to push through the lights from a standstill that the light actually turns green while the bus is very, very much in the intersection. And no, it doesn't matter that they wouldn't have hit anybody or anyone at any time. What does matter is the legal activity of your public transit driver responsible for the safe transport of your loved ones. Now, we all make mistakes when driving. Most of them are unintentional, but these examples I've shown you are intentional mistakes. And I don't see how you can argue otherwise. The court of Ladybug Adventures has spoken and now rests.